Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Take Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to flip an image vertically or horizontally on your Canva document or Canva doc on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to flip an image on the Canva doc on your computer. So I just going to upload an image here. So first of all, okay. So let's take this image. So I just uploading an image here. I'm just going to choose this image and just going to flip. This is the thumbnail just made for the video. So I just need to flip the image here. So the flip the image is so easy in Canva. So first of all, just need to select the image. Then you have the option on the toolbar, on the floating toolbar on the top. You have this option called flip. Click on this, and here you have two options like flip horizontal and flip vertical. So you can just use for flip horizontally if you just needed, or flip vertically if you just needed. So this is how you just flip the image horizontally or vertically on your Canva document on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Take Me Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.